Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you all, and thank you so much to Matt and Glam for sending me out some of their spring collection colors. They were absolutely stunning and beautiful. So they also sent me a base coat and a top coat, and now I'm just gonna briefly go ahead and show you all the colors. They're vegan, they never test on animals, they're environmentally friendly, and they have very natural products, like ingredient wise, so that was definitely a plus. So these colors are outstanding. They chose them for me and I absolutely loved each and every one of them. I love spring colors, I love pastels, so they were so pretty. So these are the colors here, and they also included a 6-watt lamp, but unfortunately that lamp did not function. I tried in different outlets, it just did not work, so I do have to let them know on that the lamp was not functional. So it does bring your standard USB cable, and this is the lamp, and it was really nice and I was really excited to use it, but unfortunately, like I mentioned, it did not work, so I will be letting them know. So first off, I'm starting off with the base coat, and I'm applying this to all the nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure them under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And I did do the buffing off camera this time around, so yeah, here I'm just going to be showing you the process. So the first color I'm going to be starting off with is Early Bird. It's this beautiful pastel green. It's like mint looking. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to go ahead and start placing that color only on the thumb, and I believe I also placed it on the index finger and the pinky. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. Actually, I'm sorry, I actually only placed this color on the thumb and on the pinky, and as you guys can see, they're very pigmented, very opaque, and they're very creamy and smooth to work with, and they almost smell like bubblegum. So I really liked the pigmentation of these polishes. They were very thick and easy to work with. I had no complaints. Just remember, when you're working with thicker polishes, just be aware of how much product you grab onto the brush and place on the nail, because sometimes if the nails are too thick, they won't cure correctly. Next, I'm going in with Vanilla Sky, which is this beautiful purple, and it's in a pastel. So I will be applying those to the following nails. And after I decided last minute that I wanted to add a foil, but this time around I didn't just want to add the foil to the entire nail. I just placed the foil to my desired liking, meaning I only placed the foil glue in certain parts a certain way, and then I outlined it with a beautiful gold color, which that gold color in particular that you guys will be seeing further on in the video is so meaningful to me, because that was definitely one of my first polishes that I ever got from the Dollar Tree when I started my YouTube channel. So next I'm going on with my second coat, so that is what I'm showing you guys here, and then we're gonna move on to the foil. So these are what the nails look like after 2 coats. They're absolutely stunning, and the colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. So next we're going to move on to some Beetles foil glue. I absolutely love this one. I did purchase it through Amazon. It's like 2 for $8.99 or $9.99, very affordable. And next I'm going to go ahead and use some foil. And I'm sorry if I don't always put everything that I use down below. I literally have purchased so many items that I have absolutely no clue where every single thing comes from, because I forget. So I'm sorry for that, but here I'm just applying the foil glue to my desired area, and now I will go in and apply the foil. And I did make a mistake, and I forgot that gel polish has a tacky layer once you take it out, so some of it did smear onto the other nails when I laid it that way, but it was no issue. I literally just grabbed a lint-free wipe with some 100% acetone and cleaned up everything, and it was perfectly fine. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm applying the foil. So now I'm moving on to using this Art Deco by LA Colors, and this is just a regular polish. I did purchase this through Dollar Tree when I first started my channel, so I'm using this to outline where the foil is, just to emphasize it and make it look really pretty. So that is what I am doing here, and I just did a total of 2 coats. I only showed one on camera. So that is what I'm doing there, and I still was able to apply the UV gel top coat over it with no issues. I always let you guys know that that is a hack. I have said it in previous tutorials. Just in case you weren't aware of that, you could use regular polish and overtop that with gel top coat. So that is what I am doing here, and I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial so far. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Everyone who shows me love on any of my social media platforms, thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me, and I truly and wholeheartedly mean that. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. And by the way, I'm so sorry that in my last video I realized after I uploaded it that I forgot to put in the comments. I never forget, but I don't know what was going on that day that I forgot. But next time, moving on to applying some rhinestones to the nails. So I'm just using the Madam Glam top coat as an adhesive to place my rhinestones on. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. And then once I am done with the rhinestone placement, I will go ahead and apply top coat to the rest of the nails. So this is it for today's nail tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.